with Pringles with focaccia flavor, potato with bread flavor. Let's go test it. Focaccia is a pretty simple flavor. Rosemary, bread, and olive oil. I think it's hard to mess up a combination like this. What about smell? The strongest flavor is the rosemary. The bread is barely noticeable, and olive oil is not there at all. So I hope taste will be better. Very bright flavor of the rosemary in the beginning, but when it wins and goes softly in the end. Surprisingly, there is no bread flavor, but you can taste the olive oil of the aftertaste. With Pringles are not something I would to eat just for fun, but a dinner with something delicious food, it will be 10 out of 10. What about you?